Students, today we will discuss a new chapter, that is the first chapter, number system. In number system we will come to know many terms. In that case, the first term is notation. What do you mean by notation? Notation is nothing, it is writing a number in figures is called notation. We write any number in notation form, that is in figures, that will be notation. Now another term comes numeration, that is writing a number in words is called numeration. So we write any number in words, that will be numeration. In the coming time we will come to know what is numeration and what is figures. Now Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. In the Hindu-Arabic system, we use 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are called digits or figures. As we have studied what is figures, now you come to know what is figures. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called figures. These figures are used to represent any number. Now a group of digits denoting a number is called numeral. A group of digits denoting a number is called numeral. We use place value system to represent a number. Now for a given numerals, we start from the extreme right as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and etc. Now we will deal with example 1, that is given below are some numbers arranged in a place value table. Write each number in words and put in the expanded form. Now we have 3 columns, lakhs, thousands and ones. In lakhs we have 2 columns, 10 lakhs and lakhs. In thousands we have 2 columns, 10,000s and thousands. In ones we have 3 columns, hundreds, tens and ones. Now if you take 5 in place of 10 lakhs, 9 in place of lakhs, 7 in place of 10,000s, 9 in place of thousands in first case, 6 in place of hundreds in first case, 3 in place of tens, 8 in place of ones. Now if you solve, in first case the number is 9,638. Means if we write this 9,638 in expanded form, it will be 9 into 100, 9 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1, means 9. Let's take the position of 9. It is in the 100,000th place. That's why we multiply 9 by 1000. 6 in the hundreds place. That's why we multiply 6 by 100. 3 is in the 10th place. That's why we multiply 3 by 10. 8 is at ones place. That's why we multiply 8 by 1. Similarly, in second case, we have to write the number in expanded form. That is, number is 59,73,482. This is 5973482. Now 59 lakh, this is in the place of 10 lakh, so we multiply 5 by 10 lakh. Now 9 is in the place of lakh, so we multiply 9 by 1 lakh. 7 is in the place of 10,000, that's why we multiply 7 by 10,000. 3 is in the place of 1000, that's why we multiply 3 by 1000. 4 is in the place of 100, that's why we multiply 4 by 100. 8 is in the place of 10th, that's why we multiply 8 by 10. 2 is in the place of ones, that's why we multiply 2 by 1. This is the form of expanded form. If we have any number, then we can write it in expanded form like this. Now international system of numeration, that is, in that case we have 4 columns, billions, millions, thousands and ones. In billions there is 2 columns, 10 millions and billions. In millions there is 3 columns, 100 millions, 10 millions, millions. In thousands we also have 3 columns, 100,000, 10,000, thousands. Ones we have 3 columns, hundreds, tens and ones. In 1 million there is 10 lakh. In 1 million there is 10 lakh. In 1 billion there is 10 crore. Now international system. Let us suppose the number is 341,25680. That is 34,125,680. In Indian system we call 341,560 means same number as 3,41,25,680. This is the international system of numeration. Now we come to know what is place value. We have to study it. Now every digit in a number has a place value. Suppose we have 100, then what is the place value of 1? It is 100 because 1 is at 100 place. Now place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Let us take an example 729348006. Now what is the place value of 6? Now 6 is at 1's place, that's why its position will be 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6. Now what is the place value of 0? Then 0 is at the 10th place, so its place value will be 0 into 10, that will be 0. Now what is the place value of 8? 8 is at 100th place, that's why its place value will be 8 into 100, that is 800. Now 4 is at 1000th place, that's why its place value will be 4 into 1000, that is 4000. Now 3 is at the 10,000th place, that's why its place value will be 3 into 10,000, that is 30,000. Now 9 is at the place of lakhs, so its place value will be 9 into 1 lakh, that is 9 lakh. Now 2 is at the place of 10 lakh, that's why we multiply 2 by 10th lakh and it will be its place value. Now 7 is at the place of crore, that's why its place value will be 7 into 1 crore, that will be 7 crore. Now we have a question, that is find the difference of the place values of the 2 sevens in 7581076. Means in this number we have 2 7. One is at 100th place and another is at crore. So we have to find the difference of the place values of both the sevens. One is at the 100th place and one is at the crore place. Now if you take first 7, it is at 100th place, that's why its place value will be 7 into 100, that is 700. And in another number 7 is at the crore place, that's why its place value will be 7 into 1 crore, that is 7 crore. Now we have to find the difference of the place values, so we subtract both these numbers, that is 7 crore minus 7, and then the result is that. Now second question is how many 5-digit numbers are there in all? That is, so in that case we first find largest 5-digit number, that is 59, and the smallest 5-digit number, that is 140. Now number of all 5-digit integers will be 9,99,999, and the smallest 5-digit number will be 1 lakh 10,000. Now what is the how many number we have 5-digit number? For example, if the question was how many 3-digit number are there, so largest 3-digit number will be 39 and the smallest 3-digit number will be, so if we have to find the number of 3-digit number, then we will subtract both these. So in that case also we find largest 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, and the number of all 5-digit integer will be the difference of both these two. So we divide that and add 1. Suppose we have to find that what is the number of how many numbers are there in 0 to 9. So we have to, what we can do, 9 minus 0 plus 1, that is 10 numbers will be there. In that case also we subtract both these two and add 1. So 90,000 number will be there in 5-digit numbers. Now write the smallest 8-digit number having 4 different digits. That is, we have to write a smallest 8-digit number with the given 4 digits 0, 1, 2 and 3. A smallest. So in case of a smallest we will start with 1. If we start with 0, then number will not be of 8th digit. So we start with, if we have to find the smallest, then we will start with the smallest number. We cannot start with 0 because if we suppose we have 0 1, then it is 1, and if we have 1 0, then it is 10. So if number 0 comes before any number, then it has no value. So we cannot write 0 initially. We write initially 1 and then start with 0. That is 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 2 3. Now if we have 3 here, then it will be 30. So we have 3 after 2, that's why it is 20. So it will be smaller. Now we have another new thing, that is comparison of numbers. Now we will deal with questions. Fill in each of the following boxes with the correct symbol, greater than or less than. Now we have to put a sign greater than, which whatever number will be greater. So look at the number, this and this, which is greater. Whichever is greater, we will assign that sign. For that we can easily check that which is greater by taking the place value of any number. Take the place value of this, take the place value of this, whichever will be greater, we put greater sign on that. This is the second question. Now arrange the following number in descending order. So we can arrange, what is descending order? Descending order means we can start with larger number initially and then goes to decreasing number. That is, if we have to arrange 5 7 9 in descending order, then we will take first the greatest number, that is 9, after that the 7, the 5. This is descending order, means the numbers are decreasing. Now in all this set of numbers we have to find the largest number. Put the largest number first, then the number just less than that, then the number just less than that, then the number just less than that. That is the ascending order. And descending order, and another is ascending order. In ascending order we put numbers, that is a smaller to larger. In case of 5 7 9, if we have to put in ascending order, then take the smallest number firstly, that is 5. After that, which is smaller, 7 or 9? 7. So we take 7 and then 9. This is the ascending order. So in ascending order we have to first find the smallest number, and after that we will arrange in ascending order, that is smaller smaller smaller. That is first smaller, then second number will be larger than that, third number will be larger than this, fourth number will be larger than this, fifth number will be larger than this. That is the case. Now we will deal with word problems. The question number first is, the difference between two numbers is this. If the smaller number is this, find the greater than number. Suppose we have difference of two numbers as 10. We have difference of two numbers as 10, and a smaller number is 5, and a smaller number is 4. Then find the greater number. So that is the question. Now difference between the number is this, a smaller number is this, so we have to find a greater number. So we will add both this. So we will add both this. The answer is this. Now another question is, a number exceeds this by this. What is that number? Means exceed means to increase. Exceed means to increase. So a number exceeds itna. In some number exceeds this, then the result is this. So we will, what we will do? We will subtract both these. So now another question is, the mass of each gas cylinder is 16 kg 250 gram. What is the total mass of 18 such cylinder? So if the mass of one cylinder is 16 kg 250 gram, so what is the total mass of 18 such cylinder? Then we will multiply the mass of one cylinder by 18. So mass of one cylinder is this, mass of 18 cylinder will be this multiplied by 18. Then this is the answer. Now a car covers 1002 km in 16 hours. At what speed per hour does the car move? At what speed per hour does the car moves? Then the distance covered in 16 hours will be this. So distance covered in 1 hour will be this divided by 16. That is the answer. Now this will be your homework.